This is a list of the extreme points and extreme elevations in Scotland. The northernmost and westernmost points of Scotland coincide with those of the UK. General. Northernmost point Euro Outstack, Shetland at 68 degree 51 Euro squared N08 degree 52 Euro squared W. Northernmost settlement Euro score, Umst, Shetland at 68 degree 49 Euro squared N08 degree 47 Euro squared W. Southernmost point Euro Mull of Galloway, Wigtownshire at 54 degree 38 Euro squared N4 degree 52 Euro squared W. Southernmost settlement Euro Cairngorm, Wigtownshire at 54 degree 38 Euro squared N4 degree 54 Euro squared W. Westernmost point Euro Rockhall 1 at 57 degree 35 Euro squared N13 degree 41 Euro squared W. Westernmost settlement Euro Cailers, Pitosea, Outer Hebrides at 56 degree 56 Euro squared N7 degree 32 Euro squared W. Easternmost point Euro Bound Skerry, Outskerries, Shetland Islands at 60 degree 25 Euro squared N0 degree 43 Euro squared W. Easternmost settlement Euro Brewery, Outskerries, Shetland Islands at 60 degree 26 Euro squared N0 degree 45 Euro squared W. Mainland. Northernmost point Euro Dunnet Head at 58 degree 40 Euro squared N3 degree 22 Euro squared W, known also as Easter Head, Caithness, Highland, Scotland. Northernmost settlement Euro Scarf Skerry, Caithness, Highland, Scotland at 58 degree 39 Euro squared N3 degree 15 Euro squared W. Southernmost point Euro Mull of Galloway, Wigtownshire at 54 degree 38 Euro squared N4 degree 52 Euro squared W. Southernmost settlement Euro Cairngorm, Wigtownshire at 54 degree 38 Euro squared N4 degree 54 Euro squared W. Westernmost point Euro Corachard Mar squared R, Highland at 56 degree 42 Euro squared N6 degree 13 Euro squared W. The opening of the Skye Bridge on October 16, 1995 means that legally, Skye is part of the British mainland, which, using this definition, makes the westernmost point of mainland Britain a spot 200 m south of the Nest Point Lighthouse, Skye, at 57 degree 25 Euro squared N6 degree 47 Euro squared W. Westernmost settlement Euro Grigadale, Highland at 56 degree 43 Euro squared N6 degree 11 Euro squared W. Easternmost point Euro Keith Inch, Aberdeenshire at 57 degree 30 Euro squared N1 degree 46 Euro squared W. Easternmost settlement Euro Peterhead, Aberdeenshire at 57 degree 30 Euro squared N1 degree 46 Euro squared W. Centre point. Between Blair Athol and Dalwhinnie, Perthshire, Llewellyn, a mountain in Perthshire, is sometimes described as the centre of Scotland. However, 2002 studies by the Ordnance Survey pinpointed the centres more precisely, and it is their results that are quoted here. However, this is obviously dependent on whether or not Scotland's islands are included, and there is more than one way to measure it. Elevation extremes. Scotland, Ben Nevis, the 10 tallest mountains in the UK are all found in Scotland. And Lochhead claims to be the highest settlement in Scotland. Many points are on, or near sea level, but due to high rainfall, there are no natural dry pieces of land below sea level. See rivers and lochs below. Rivers and lochs. Main articles, List of lochs in Scotland. Rivers of Scotland. The longest river in Scotland is the River Tay. The largest loch in Scotland is Scotland Loch Lomond. The deepest freshwater loch is Loch Mora with a maximum depth of 309 meters. Notes about Rockall. Rockall is claimed by several countries, including the UK. 1. If Rockall is not considered part of the UK, Soey, St Kilda, west of the Outer Hebrides, is the westernmost point. 2. The village on Herta, St Kilda was abandoned in 1930, and was until then the westernmost settlement in Scotland. The island now has a military base, and is staffed during the summer months. See also, extreme points of the British Isles, Extreme points of Ireland, references